How to log into your Reading Egg account. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily log into your account on the Reading Egg application or your website. Reading Egg is basically an online learning platform for children with fun and engaging contents. So let's just see how you can log in. Open up your web browser first and click on the search bar. Now simply search for Reading Egg and then hit enter. From here, you'll see the readingeggs.com. Just go ahead and click on this first link that you see. Now you'll be taken to the official website. And if you're new, you can click on the sign up option to simply register for a new account. But if you already have one, click on the login option right here. Once you get to the login page, you can just go ahead and enter your email or your username that's connected to your account and simply hit your password. If both of your login credentials are correct, you can directly click on this login option to log into your account. And if you want the browser to remember your login info, click on this checkbox. And then if you've forgotten your password somehow, click on this forgot option to recover your password. After that, you could also log in using the QR code on the app. So if you have mobile application, you can log in via QR code. You can just get the QR code and scan the QR code right here. You should be good to go. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you guys on the next one.